Alrighty guys, welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle, and today we're looking at a 2008 Holiday Rambler Endeavor. This is a 40 PDQ floor plan. This coach is 4 slides. It's got a 400 horsepower Cummins in it. It's a beautiful coach, good floor plan. You'll see this floor plan throughout multiple different brands and makes, so you'll be able to get a good look at it. I'm not going to talk too much outside. It's quite windy. You probably can't hear too much, but we'll go through all the compartments, check tire sizes, do all that good stuff. Full body paint, of course, got to expect it. You do have some nice side vision cameras there. Tire size 275 ADR 22.5s. 6 tires in total. Like I said, quad slide. You have an electric awning that comes out right here, comes out over this slide, gives you a little bit of space. That is a slide topper, and they do have metal covers on them too, which is nice. Fuel fill right there, both sides. Massive pass-through right here. One tray on the other side. Push that down, will go out either way. And you do have the central vac system, the Eureka. Hot water tank, 10 gallons it looks like. Should be electric or propane. Battery bay, it will slide out too, and then your 2000 watt inverter. This coach does have 2 window awnings, one right there and then one on the other side. My God, it's windy. Try to avoid the wind here and the sun. Geez. Now it is a diesel pusher, so your motor's in the back. Got a 10,000 pound hitch on the back with a 7-pin connector. Rear radiator, get to your engine oil right there. This grate just pulls off if you want to do anything over there. Then you got your coolant. We just had some rain yesterday. I'm sorry for all the dust. But you do have a ladder extension to get up to the top. It is a dual AC system. It's 2 13.5 BTU units. You see this coach did get a little bit of fading right there on that stripe. Saw a little bit of sun, I guess you could say. And it's right in the transition from black to red on the decal. So I think that's why it went a little bit quicker. 50 amp power service on a reel. I don't know, you probably won't be able to see much, but here's your dump station. And outdoor shower, winterization, I mean, all types of fun stuff in here. Your propane tank, it's literally massive. And these are going to be the other sides of those pass-through storages. A little bit darker because the other side ain't open. And then your other window awning is right here. It's a lot bigger. And then finally, got this little front compartment, mainly for electronics. Generator exhaust right below. Your actual gen is right there. We'll look at that in a second. So there's the front view. Slides out. Gen's at 8,000. Plenty to run everything in this coach. 1455.6 on the hour meter. Manual slide out. All right, let's jump inside. 2 steps going in, and like 4 more up there. Right when you walk into your left, got your control panel, lights, awning, battery disconnect, porch lights, all that fun stuff. And here is the first peek at the coach. It's a light interior color. It's an oak color, which I like. It lets in a lot more ambient light than you would expect compared to the very dark, you know, browns and your blacks that you see so often now. Full auto leveling jacks, Allison 3000 series. As you can see, battery boost, exhaust brake, mirror heat, all the stuff you'd kind of expect. I don't know if you can see that. 48,987 on the miles. Now this is on the Roadmaster chassis, so you have an 8 airbag system. They're all outward mounted too, so you get a lot less of that swaying going on. And you can see it's hard to see with the sun, but there's your backup camera always on, satellite radio, Step cover right there, and then your gen control. Front seats do turn. Front seat seems to be in good condition. You got a little bit of cracking starting to happen on the passenger, and same area for the driver it looks like. But overall, you know, some of the, I don't want to call them stress cracks, but you know, just cracks you start getting from over time. Front TV was upgraded to a flat screen. They usually got a big old tube TV right there, so that's kind of a plus. See, that's a little bit of a passenger storage there. Oh, switch box, and look at that. Oh my gosh. 5-disc CD changer. Oh, I can't even, I'm not even tall enough to see in that one. I don't know if I already said it, but this bad boy is a full-on 40-footer. In the passenger seat, you also have that step cover control, passenger shade. Passenger shade I need to fix. Step light and then map light. All right, let's turn around. So like I said, you have 4 slides. That corner all the way down right past, right in front of the mirrored area right there. And then, same on the other side. Then you got 2 in the back. Your first slide right here, couch, dinette, will pull out to be a 4. And then a side-by-side fridge. These are all kind of not pass-through storages, but they're all connected. So you get 3 storages here, and then 3 storages right there. Pull-out mattress. Like I said, the dinette is able to be extended, and there should be 2 more seats in the back. We'll see. Here is some of the info from the brochure. You're welcome to pause this at any time. Tried to make it a little bit easier to read through it with the highlighting, but you never know. There's 4 pages of info. It just keeps going. And then finally, our price, $84,995, is just some more basic spec info. All right. Now you do have storage under the dinette. Got 1 right there, equivalent on the other side. This one's kind of hard to get to with the chairs, but just a little storage there. Day and night shades. Those are the daytime. Pull down the nighttime. You'll see some nice kind of blackout, I guess you could say, shades. And then windows in the slide on that side, and not on that side. Your fridge, it's a Dometic. It is one of those kind of electric propane fridges. It's actually quite nice, a little bit harder to store some frozen pizzas. Other than that though, lots of space. All right, let's go back on the other slide. So the other slide, you do have another sleeper. This is actually storage down here. And then put a little right on there, and then you got yourself a jackknife sleeper. Once again, 3 storage compartments all the way through. You know what? This bed right under us must be an air mattress bed because you have the pump right there. A little bit of light reading material in there. Now moving on to the kitchen. Storage left of the microwave. Microwave right there. Oh, look at that. Gotta fix that. Extension does come out, give you a little bit of extra counter space, and very, very deep drawers. You do have, this is a Corian top, so you got Corian covers for your stovetop and your sink. They are heavy, and a real backsplash. So this coach does not have the oven, so you got a convection microwave right above us. Oh, and that's actually a good area to store those Corian tops. I think that was usually a sponge drawer. And then, last but not least, in the kitchen, well, almost last, a little bit of storage there. Then to the right, you have a nice little display area with extra little counter if you're going to be parked somewhere for a while. And my God, the amount of spices you can store in there. All right, moving our way on back. We walked through the bathroom. Toilet is separate. Shower and vanity are in there. And then we get to the bedroom. There is a sliding real wood door right here. Kind of separate. Give yourself a master suite. Separate any people that you got traveling with you up here from coming to the back. They only get to pee outside. All right, into the bathroom. Corner shower, vanity, a little bit of storage under the vanity here, and a couple drawers. Corian tops throughout also. And then your medicine cabinet. Oh, look, even more good info. Give you some nice weights. I think I already gave you that info, but there it is more if you want. Your shower. It is it's a big old fiberglass shower. It does have, they call that a seat. It's not a flip down seat, but they still call it a seat. With a skylight all the way up there. If you see my videos before, you know I am only 5'9". So I can't even jump and touch my head on the ceiling there. So good size shower. Right behind us. You know what, before we get there, let's look at our nice little control panel. AC controls, generators, system checks, water pumps, slide controls, inverter. It just keeps going. Let's go into the bathroom. Bathroom does have its own separate room, and the big plus, I'm sure you already saw one vanity, but you got another inside the toilet room, which is awesome. China toilet, same Corian tops throughout, medicine cabinet, massive, my gosh. It's so big I can't even go back far enough. Fantastic fan right above us. And then just storage, lots of storage. Did we open this? If not, let's look again. And then you do have a little sprayer in case you gotta get any of that excess off. And then you got your toilet paper storage. You'll be ready for 2020 with that amount of storage, let me tell you. All right. Now this coach has the option to have a washer and dryer unit. This one does not have one, but you can see all the way. Let's see if I can get you back there. Your water lines and your power connection. So you can put a combo unit there. If you're a little bit better with the woodworking, you can put a full stack unit in here because it will fit. And it looks like it is already pretty exhausted. All right, into the bedroom. Once again, separating door. If you do like the people you're traveling with and you don't want to make them pee outside, you can just shut off them from the bedroom. King bed in here, 2 slides. I'm low on battery, that's why it keeps going in and out. One slide there to there, and then right behind us also. King bed. It is a sleep number. It's massive. Let's see, is there underbed storage? There is some underbed storage, and you can lift it up with one hand. There's all your controls for that central vac system, which I never showed you. Is right there. Eureka! All right. Now in front of the bed, we have lots of drawers. TV was also upgraded. You got 3 drawers down here, all the same depth, all the same size. 3 drawers up here, not as deep, but all the same size. And then your pass-through, or not, oh, look at that. So you got one pass-through. So this one goes through for those 2. The one on the left, power cable connections is separate. Making our way back. This is not accessible when the slide is in, but it's one of your wardrobe storages. And then you got a drawer down here. Oh, the socks and underwear drawer. Right there is how you access your motor. The top of it, at least. So it's not a full wardrobe because you do have all that in the way. It's a whole lot of circuits and breakers and stuff that I don't know what a lot of it does. There's the other side, but they do give you that. That's kind of cool. All right. So guys, if you're wondering where your storage is, if you're lucky, you'll get the left side. Women, beautiful. 3 more storages above. Those are all connected. You have one side table here with a little bit of storage in it. And there's a fan, but let's see, is there power in here? I know some people got CPAP machines. I don't see power. Oh, there's power over there. That'd be a little bit longer of a cord, but. And then I think under this side, you do have. Oh, no, I'm thinking of a different coach. I thought there was 2 more drawers there. There's not. All right. Well, hey, that was a quick walkthrough, but there's the exterior and interior of our 2008 Holiday Rambler Endeavor. I hope I gave you a good look. Sorry if it was really windy on the exterior. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our phone number is 520-807-0900. And once again, my name is Taylor Quayle. I'm more than willing to help you out here if you have any questions. We can step back. One last view. Passenger side. And then driver side. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for viewing. Wash your hands, have a great day.